So hello everyone. Today was really great day. Uh, I had some minor profit, not much, but I followed. What's important is I followed my setup. And I stayed disciplined. I didn't doubt myself before executing the trade, and that's what matters. So I'm going to explain everything in English so that everyone can understand. So today I took around like one, two, three, four, five trades, five, six trades. All right, and some were managed, and some were not managed, and some were took profits too fast, and some were okay. Okay, let me explain my trade today. What was the concept behind all this? So I didn't watch the daily today that much, but 4 hour. I watched this trade were all taken best in 4 hour. So there is a great resistance here, right? There are support that run into resistance. These are very important zones, and they are respected most of the time. If they broke that, then we must wait for the retest. So what happened there was NFP, and NFP was good. That means the US dollar is strong, which means the gold is going to fall, right? So what happened on the London session for our candle? It closed below this zone. It were consolidating in this area, but it closed below this support. So that was pretty good sign that it is going down. And what happened? Next 4 hour candle start to go up. It start to go up, and it went till a support, right? It went till this was the support that the cat 4 hour candle broke, and it went up here to retest that zone, and it went up. I thought it will retest at this zone, so I took a sell here, as on 1 minute and it was giving me a sale setup, but I was wrong. The five minute candle flipped, and I got stopped out here with 22 with I don't know, like 20 pips, 2.25 pips, and it went up, and there was resistance. This was the support, and that turned into resistance. It retest, and I took a sell here, right? I took a sell here, and I wasn't sure about that. I think, yeah, that the 5 minute candle wasn't closed, right? It wasn't closed, so that's why I wasn't sure that it might close bearish or what. So I kind of after this candle, oh yeah, after this candle started to retrace, then I no this after this candle was going closed bullish. I got out of the trade and waited for this 5 minute candle to close, and it closed pretty much bearish, right? Bearish. And what happened here is what happened in this 5 minute candle. Let's go through it. What happened? It broke low, and this candle. What happened to this candle one? This candle broke down and came up, created a top wick, and started to fall. Right? Started to fall. Started to fall, and that's where I took the trade. This was the trade around 22.37 pips, something I got, something like that, 2.30 pips, right? And what happened? And why I got out of this trade, because it was coming to this zone. This is what consolidated, and it broke. That means it's a resistance. It might turn support on here. That's why I got out of the trade, and I waited. I think I waited. I waited for 5 minute candle. Yeah, I waited for 5 minute candle to close, and what happened? The next candle broke this support and went down, like furious down. And we and what, look, what is this? This is a good support. I'm like, what was that? I think, yeah, it was good support here, right? The market was here, and it was good support. It rejected the support, and it was breaking up, and many people were in the trade here, right? After this candle close, so their stops might be here, and I thought that market will go up to take the stops, but this candle was hesitate to go up after this high. It stayed here for like many seconds, so I got out of the trade, and this candle took out who were in this trade, right? Took out, and there was an interesting thing, right? This yeah, look, 5-minute candle. This 1-minute candle closed below this zone, right? This is a support, and this is also a very important zone here, and I took trade on the break of that 1-minute candle. No, okay, I got into the trade impulse, like it started to break this candle, break this zone. I got into the trade. I got out like 25 pips, right? And but my target was 40 pips, and stops were here. But I was like impatient, very impatient, so that's why I get out of the trade. Look, why this is good, because look, there's a support, there's a resistance, and there's a resistance, so that's a very good zone. That's why the basic idea of our trading is, when the market break one zone, then it's sure that it's going to another zone, right? That's the idea behind it. See, this broke here and it went down. This broke here and it went down. Look, if we look at the 1 hour candle, we will see that clear thing. It broke this, it went to this zone, it broke this, then it went to this zone. If it broke and closed below this, then it is pretty sure that it might go up to here. That's the idea. Okay, look, 1 hour close, then it's pretty good, right? 1 hour is pretty good. And now what we have to see is where might be the liquidity holding, right? We must see that thing. What happened here? It broke. We cannot guess, I think, to this. You might see, I don't know, at this point it's very confusing to say. And this zone are now like pretty much, we have to get new zone because new support were formed and new resistance were formed. We have to update these zones, like we can make here, because look, there's a support, there's a resistance, there's support, but it is pretty much not valid, because like after the rejecting this area, it came only little, the price only dropped a little, right? And after rejecting, the price only dropped little. That's why it's pretty much weak zone, but we can expect things to like come a little bit up and go down this zone, or consolidate like this, and we don't know what will happen. Okay, this is my first English trading analysis. I hope you guys like it, and if you love my analysis, then do comment in my videos that I'll make more about my trading setup and trading plan. Thank you.